Hello everyone, if you're having problems with the mist in your Optimyst fire, it's not working or the mist is low, then usually one of the first parts to replace is the transducer. I have done a couple of previous videos covering setting up my Optimyst fire, replacing the transducer part, and a video on replacing the fan. What I want to do today is replace the transducer disc. This is the little white disc at the top of the transducer. It saves you from having to replace the whole transducer part, and it's a cheap first step you can take to see if you can get your mist working again. I bought this pack of 4 transducer discs from Amazon for about £6, which I will list in the description box below. It comes with a metal key which you need to release the disc. At the top of the transducer you will see that there are 2 lines or slots. You just take your key, place it in the slot and turn it anti-clockwise to release. Once it's loose, you can turn it with your fingers and remove it. Now take the transducer disc out, and underneath you will see a little spring inside. There's a plastic washer and the transducer disc sits on top. You need to remove the plastic washer from the disc. My disc actually broke whilst I was doing this, so be careful as it can be sharp. Next, you need to put the plastic washer back in the slot. Put the new transducer disc on top, making sure that it's central. Then replace the top part, turning it with your fingers to start it off, and then use the key to tighten it up. You now need to put the transducer back in. You put your transducer into the bottom of the tank, making sure the wire is completely out of the way. Then you plug in the other end of the wire. You add the top part of the grey tank, the orange water tank and the log bed. Once you've put everything back together, you switch it on and hopefully you will have lots of mist rising in your Optimyst fire. If you are still having problems, check out my Optimyst troubleshooting series for more help. Again, this is listed in the card above and in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If this video has helped you, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!